Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. I'm already on the petrol station, early morning, 6:45, and I'm going for the day trip. Today I show you Whiskey Distillery shades. We go into Drumshanbo, where is the Whiskey Distillery and also the place where the most famous Irish gin is made, the Gunpowder. I'm not sure the Whiskey Distillery tour is only about the whiskey or it's about the whiskey and the gin, but definitely I want to see how much it's possible, and also I want to show you how much it's possible. I'm in the Shed Whiskey Distillery in Drumshanbo, and actually I don't really know the whiskey of the Drumshanbo, but I know gin very well because Gunpowder, it's super famous and super popular and everybody remembered the blue bottle. And I'm just walking around because my tour will start in 20 minutes. I just checked everything's around, the gift shop, the coffee shop, bar, everything looks really beautiful. Everything brand new, and today it's the first day of the tour here. That was definitely absolutely amazing experience with whiskey distillery, whiskey and gin distillery and vodka distillery. I really enjoyed it. Was actually much more than I expect. A great tour. Pity you cannot do photos and videos together during the tour. What it's a really big minus, because that's the biggest entertainment, but definitely worth to visit. You driving a lot and the road is quite difficult, but when you are here, actually you are super happy and you're enjoying every second from the gift shop. Super amazing friendly stuff, super drinks, super tour, great food. Wow, amazing. I'm actually super happy with this what I saw here today, and I highly recommend.